Good day, sir. I am Alvin Pardelio, and for today's report, I will be discussing Rule 64, Section 300 to 304, which outline the formal hearing in disposition cases. So, Section 300. Section 300 is a venue. The administrative complaints or cases against PSP, PSA, PSDA, CGF, or GSF should be filed in accordance with the Section 293. So, Section 300 is a procedural rule that dictates where an administrative case must be filed. So, administrative complaints against security entities such as PSP, Private Security Professional, PSA, Private Security Agency, PSDA, Private Security Training Agency, CGF, Company Guard Force, GSF, Government Security Force. So, dili ka pwede mag-file og case kung asa imong gusto. Nadya pun kay ginafollow nga specific geographic or office location listed in Section 293. O gina-ensure diri nga ang case is handled by the correct regional or national office that has the legal authority jurisdiction over the parties involved. So in short, Section 300 points you to Section 293 to find the correct address for filing your legal complaint. Next is Section 301. So Section 301 is a transfer of venue. So upon promotion of either party with sufficient justification, the venue or the complaint either ongoing investigation or summary hearing proceeding may upon approval from the CSG, Chief SOSA, and can be changed and transferred to CIDS, MDS, SOSA, RCSU. So Section 301 outlines the rules of transfer of the venue. So can allow an administrative case to be moved from its original location to different office like CIDS, Complaint and Investigation Division Section, AMD, Enforcement Management Division, RCSU, Regional Civil Security Unit. So gina-require riya ang formal motion request and must be approved by the Chief of SOSA or the Director of the CSG. And you must provide sufficient justification. You can move a case for convenience. So a transfer is granted for the current location is no longer safe. So granted lang siya kung ang location is no longer safe due to harassment, physical traits, actual violence, and general fairness. So in short, Section 301 is a safety valve that moves the trial to a secure location if a party is being bullied, threatened, or harmed. Next is ang Section 302. So Section 302 is ang summon. So within the 5 working days upon receipt of the formal complaint in the records of the case by the summary hearing officer, he shall issue the summon to be served upon the respondent, directing the latter to submit his or owner within 5 working days from receipt thereof together within the documentary evidence. So Section 302 sets a strict up to 5 day timeline for officially starting the legal proceeding after a complaint is filed. So step 1, ang officer is sa summary hearing officer is nana siya 5 working days to issue a summon to the respondent. And step 2 is once the respondent receive the summon, nana siya 5 working days to submit iyang answer. So the respondent must include all documentary evidence supporting their defense. At the same time, they submit their answer. So in short, It is a fast-track rule ensuring the accused is notified within the 5 days and forced to respond with proof within under 5 days. Next is ang Section 303. Section 203 is ang answer. So, the answer should be in writing under oath and must contain material fact which may either be a specific denial, permission, the allegation, and the complaint. So, it should be accompanied by documentary or other evidence. If there any support of the defense, copy furnish complainant. So, Section 303 details the strict requirements for the respondent answer. So, ensuring the process remains fast and transparent. So, the answer must be in writing, under oath, notarize siya, and submit into 2 copies. And must clearly deny or admit the allegation, and include a list of witnesses and support evidence. And it can be submitted personally or by registered mail. Copy must be provided to the person who filed complaint. So dapat dili siya delay. So in short, Section 303 forces a complete evidence, back defense, and bans all legal motion that would delay the speedy resolution of the case. And lastly is the Section 304. Effect of failure, refusal to file answer. So, Section 304 explains the legal consequence if a respondent ignores the deadline to respond. So, automatic, not guilty if the respondent fails or refuses to file an answer. So, the law treats is a general denial of all charges. So, in short, if you don't answer, the law assumes you deny everything in the case proceed without your input. Malutong report, sir. Thank you, sir.